Hi, this is going to be a quick little video to show you how to link a form to an Excel Online Spreadsheet. So the key here is to actually start in SharePoint and to create a new Excel workbook. You can give it a logical name, say my survey data or whatever it is. Then you're going to go insert and forms, new form. Then you're going to go here, let's say end of here, food choice, okay, and then obviously you can do all the form stuff of collect the person's name, etc. I'm just going to give a simple example. Okay, so you fill in the form like that. You can then send the form. You can obviously make it pretty, etc. But let's send the form. The QR code is quite nice to do as well, but for the purposes of this example, I will just show it like this. So copy. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So I will just. So you'll see here there are no submissions currently in the Excel form, and you'll see that it's showing as a SharePoint app. And now I'm just going to type in here, I want the chicken and no comments. The next person, you'll see that if I look there, you'll see it comes in. Then if I go to the next person, I'll just call it another person. Okay, so we've done a few responses and you'll see they come through quite quickly. So that's pretty much it. And in this example, you'll see it's actually showing who submitted it, which is obviously very much up to your collection policies. You could have changed that in the advanced form settings. Cool. Hopefully that was helpful.